Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Linux administration course. Before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to subscribe, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our Linux administration tutorials. If you're watching on TikTok, don't forget to follow, like, and leave a comment if you're enjoying these lessons. Your support helps us create more free Linux, DevOps, and cloud engineering content for beginners. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to configure a password policy so that user passwords expire after 60 days. This is a common security practice in companies because it encourages users to change their passwords regularly, helping to protect company systems from unauthorized access if a password is ever compromised. Let's begin. First, log into your Ubuntu server or Rocky Linux machine. Open the terminal if you're using a virtual machine. To make system changes, we need administrator privileges. Run sudo-i. Enter your password when prompted. You should now see the root prompt. Before making any changes, let's examine the current password settings for one of our users. Run chh-l alice. This command displays important information: last password change date, when the password expires, when the account becomes inactive, account expiry date, minimum and maximum days between password changes, number of days of warning before the password expires. By default, many systems set the maximum days to a very high number, like 99999, which effectively means the password never expires. Now let's configure Alice's password to expire after 60 days. Run chh-m60 alice. Here, the -m option stands for maximum number of days a password remains valid. Setting it to 60 means the password will expire exactly 60 days after it was last changed. We should apply the same policy to all the other users we created earlier. Run these commands one by one. chh-m60 Bob, chh-m60 Charles, chh-m60 David, chh-m60 Eve. Now, every user account will require a password change every 60 days. Let's verify that the policy was applied successfully. Run chh-malice again. You should now see that the maximum number of days between password change is set to 60, and the password expires field shows a specific date 60 days from the last change. You can repeat the verification for the other users if you want. In a real-world company environment, the IT security team often requires all employees to change their passwords every 30, 60, or 90 days. Instead of manually reminding every user, you, as the Linux administrator, configure this policy once using the chh command. Linux will then automatically enforce it and warn users before their passwords expire. This simple configuration significantly improves overall system security. Congratulations! Today you learned how to inspect a user's current password aging policy with chh-l, set a maximum password lifetime of 60 days using chh-m, apply the policy to multiple users, verify that the changes took effect. This is one of the fundamental security hardening tasks performed by Linux system administrators. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to create shared directories and manage file permissions for different groups so teams can collaborate securely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful.